Hey, welcome to Make a Mark Studios. I'm Miss V, and in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how to draw your own creative gingerbread house drawing. This activity is really fun because you can add your own creative touches and elements and kind of mix and match some of the inspiration guides to create your own super original gingerbread house drawing. So please don't feel like your gingerbread house drawing has to look exactly like mine. The materials you're going to need today include paper, pencil with an eraser preferably, and a black marker. There are plenty of options for how you can finalize this drawing. Some examples include watercolor, charcoal or white pencil on brown paper, a shaded pencil drawing, or coloring it in with colored pencils. For more info about this gingerbread house drawing and to get printable drawing guides, check out the link below. If at any point you feel like this video is going too fast, don't panic, just pause the video as needed. So let's get started. Our first step is to draw the outlines of the gingerbread house style. As you're drawing this, keep it light until you get it right. You might do some erasing or some overlapping, so keep your pencil lines really light. Here are some examples of different gingerbread house styles you can draw. If needed, pause this slide to sketch out your gingerbread house. Here's also an easy step-by-step of how to do the 3D gingerbread house that I'm going to be drawing. In the bottom left quadrant of my paper, I'm going to start by drawing a really simple house straight on. I'm going to strive to keep it symmetrical. To make it look 3D, I'm going to draw an angled line extending out from the roof and the side of the roof and the bottom of the house. Notice that these three lines are all the same length and the same angle. I'm going to make the side of the building following the same angle as the front and the side of the roof following the same angle. Step 2 is to add windows and doors. Here are some creative examples of different windows and doors that you can use for inspiration. Step 3 is the fun part. We're going to add in some sweets and candies. Here are some examples of different doodles of sweets and candies you can use for inspiration. Step 4 are to add some final touches and add some winter details to your gingerbread house drawing. Here are some examples of miscellaneous details that you might want to use as inspiration, such as trees, roof shingles, bushes, bows, and lamps. Feel free to get creative. Once my entire pencil sketch is ready to go, I'm going to go over all of my pencil lines with a black marker or a Sharpie. Once everything is Sharpied, I like to erase out any leftover visible pencil lines with an eraser. Once your gingerbread house is fully inked, feel free to add some other medium to the artwork to finalize it. Here's an example of one done with colored pencils. You can see lots of shading and highlights and lots of vivid bright colors. Get creative with how you finalize your gingerbread house and have fun! I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more videos from Make a Mark Studios, helping you to make your mark through art.